send them. I'm gonna talk about them. Y'all can do whatever you want with the information and the links to their websites that you want to do with it. It don't matter to me. I don't care if you wearing real shoes. I don't care if you wear fake shoes. I don't care if you wear real jewelry. I don't care if you wear fake jewelry. I don't care. There's nothing that makes you real by having material things. There's nothing that makes you you by having material things. I do not be caring. I don't know why niggas be thinking I care that they got something. Like, I never understood it. Like, dude, I don't be caring. I don't care. Are you a good person? That's all. But anyway, so they actually I gotta cut that out. But anyway, this is the first problem. Like, just because they're free don't mean nothing to me. I'm gonna talk about you. So they wrap these up and set them in like this because usually they are in another cardboard box wrapped with these inside. This was shipped just the box, so it got damaged during the transport and shipping here. So this is the box. These are Jordan 4 retros, which I told y'all like Jordan 4s and 5s are like my favorite Jordan. So typically I will pick out a pair of Jordan 4s or 5s over all of the shoes that they be offering me. Sometimes they want to send me what they want to send me, and I'm like, yo, if it's not a paid promotion, which I don't do paid promotions because I like speaking my facts and my real opinion. Because I feel like if you do a paid promotion, they kind of want you to say what they want to say. So I don't do paid promotions for that reason. Whether it be any company, I just don't do it. And then when I do promotions, it's only through like links. You can buy it if you want to or not or whatever. And they send me something for free, and I'm gonna still talk about it. And if it's not paid, then it's it is what it is. But I haven't done any paid promotions, so they don't. I'm not that big of a YouTuber that they care to send me money to do a video. So I guess. But this is the shoe, the box. I'm mad that the box got bent up like that because they didn't package it correctly. So it is what it is. Y'all can see the box is like really like beat up, and depends on who you are. You might, you might want your box to be pristine, which I understand. Some people want their boxes to be pristine, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you were to go to this company's website and pay it, and they send you a box like this, I understand that you'll be upset too. You know what I'm saying? I would be upset. Oh man, I don't have my ring lights on, but the lighting in here is freaking beautiful. I got some new kind of fluorescent light bulbs, and they are very, very bright. I like them. I don't even think I might try to look up this and see how the green screen works with this, but I love the lighting. Anyway, so these are the shoes, the box, and it's beat up. Y'all know I wear size 9. Whatnot. I did pick another pair of shoes, and I actually like the shoes that I picked, and I don't know what they wanted me to do a website review, and I was like, I'm not reviewing your website without you sending me a product. I'm not doing it. Hold on, I feel like I had to sneeze. But I was like, I'm not reviewing y'all website without a product. So instead of them sending me the shoes that I wanted, they was like, well, we can send you these. So that's another negative for this company as well, because if you want me to review your shit for free, you send me what I asked for, and whatnot. And I'm not finna review your website and then say, for instance, one of y'all went to the website and bought something and it's not quality product, but I reviewed the website without reviewing the physical product. That's on me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not doing that to nobody, to none of y'all. And I don't care if these are reps, whatever, we ain't doing it. But, and y'all see, look at the box. So we can take the shoes out and we can look at the quality of that now. So these are the shoes. They don't look too bad, to be honest. I don't have a real pair to kind of see. I don't know, but for the most part, they look good. They feels a little cheap with the leather. I ain't gonna lie, but well, the toe part does, but the rest of it feels like quality material that I'm feeling. Don't feel too cheap. And if you're gonna replicate it, like, replicate it to the T, because a lot of these reps are looking like super duper realistic these days, but it is what it is. So that is the shoe. It's purple. You got the purple shoelace holders, purple Jumpman, purple inside on the tongue right here, and the sole is purple as well. You can see with the white Jumpman in there. You got the purple Jumpman at the bottom, purple at the bottom, purple Jumpman on the back, like metallic. That's what it is, purple metallic. And yeah, they do look really good though. To be honest with you, like I said, it's just the front for some reason. With all the other reps that I've touched, they feel a little more quality in front, and I think it's literally just like that little part right there, but that feels good, and the rest of it feels real good. Quality material. You see, you got your tab right here. It says Air Jordan right there. Air Jordan. See, Air Jordan. But yeah, for the most part, it does look like a quality shoe, except for that little spot right there. But if you're gonna rock them, rock them in, look good. And I'm 31, I ain't checking to see if nobody's stuff is quality, real or fake. I ain't got time. I don't do all that. I'm 31. I do not have time for that. I got a child and I got bills. I ain't got time to be looking at your stuff like, oh man, I don't do all that, bro. I don't do all that. I ain't got time. I ain't. But it comes with this StockX, I think. This StockX, yeah. Authentic. This little tag right here. So they do have a website, GigsRU, and you can use my code to get $12 off. They got their website, their IG, and their WhatsApp. If y'all can see that. So if you do want to shop with them, shop at your own discretion. Do what do your research and stuff like that, and see what you like, what you don't like. They might have something you like on them. They might not. That's up to you, and it's up to how much money you want to spend. And it's definitely. I'm gonna make a note to them. Most definitely let them know, like, yo, you can't ship boxes like this, man. You gotta put them in the cardboard box and then wrap it and then send it. Yeah, so yeah.